Ah. Pretty decent amount of flower things on it. See, it doesn't look terrible, but it could look better. Some bird duty over here. So I'm going to try to clean it. I'm going to try cleaning with this stuff. I mean, I'm not sure if I should be waxing it too, but I guess, I don't know, why not? Some people said they used this. The directions say rinse card to remove loose dirt. Then I already have a bucket ready. It's a kitty litter, an empty kitty litter bucket. 1 ounce of this per 1 gallon of water. So first I'm gonna rinse. Just rinsing seems to get some things off, but not all. Rinsing. Hopefully this line comes off. I don't know what that is. Okay, so I've rinsed. I will say it looks better, but there's still some stains that didn't come off, and also these green stains that I don't know if it's from the fake ivy that I put on the outside when it's parked. So now I'll try to get it out with the car wash cleaner. I scrubbed it over with the car stuff. It got more things off, but definitely not everything. Like, you know, you can still see some stains there. There's still these green stains over here. All right, now I'm gonna dry some parts where the car wash stuff didn't get it off, and I'm gonna try this industrial simple green cleaner and degreaser. Let's try this stain above the door. Oh, it kind of worked. I mean, it worked. Let's try somewhere else. See, this, I'm not sure if this is just some dirt in the caulk. I don't want to accidentally get off the caulking, but I'll try without scrubbing too hard. It worked better than I thought it would. Wow. Here are some stains that would not come out. Let's see if this can take care of it. So it seems like you need to give it elbow grease, but here's a spot where I removed it, right there. So it seems like it works, but it's not not an easy solution all the time with the more stubborn stains. Okay, this is the back after washing with the car wash. I do think the simple green, what is it called again? Cleaner and degreaser will get a lot of this out. However, it will take a lot of physical strength and pushing over and over again to get this out. I've already started working on it a little bit right here above the sticker. This line, I don't know if you can see, it went all the way down before. Okay, let's see if it works on the green stuff. These green stains that did not come out.